Okay, so we have here a uniform beam AB of mass 40 kgs and length 5 meters. Total length of the beam is 5 meters. It rests horizontally on supports C and D, where AC is equal to dB. AC and dB are both equal to 1 meter. When a man of mass 80 kg stands on the beam at E, magnitude of reaction at D is twice the magnitude of reaction at C. So reaction at C, let us call it as RC. Reaction at D, let's call it as RD. So he is giving the relation between RC and RD. So according to him, RD is equal to twice the magnitude of RC. So this data is given. By modeling the beam as a rod and man as particle, find the distance AE. So he is asking us to find this length AE. What will be the length CD? What will be the length CD? CD will be 5 minus 2 because the total length of the rod is 5 meter. 5 minus this 1 and 1. So we get 5 minus 2. So CD is 3 meters. CE is unknown, that is x meters. We have to find that x. So now let's remove this. The weight of the person is 80 kgs. So 80 into G. 80 into G. And let us say the midpoint is here. If midpoint is here, the weight of the rod will act here. Weight of the rod is 80 kgs. Sorry, 40 kgs. 40 kgs. So 40 into G will be the weight of the rod. 80 into G will be the weight of the person. And this distance, okay, x distance is this total distance. X distance is this total distance, and this distance is how much? This distance will be half of CD. This distance will be half of CD. CD is 3, so 3 by 2, that is the distance for the rod. So having known all these values, we should be able to find the value of x. Ready?
Yes, sir.
So again we have the three equations with us, sigma v, sigma h and sigma m. Let us start with sigma v. So RC is acting upwards plus RD is acting upwards minus 40G is acting downwards, and again 80G is acting downwards. So minus this total should be equal to 0 because the beam is in equilibrium. Give me a minute.
Yes.
कॉल करता हूँ. So we get RC. Acha, we can substitute the value of RC now.
Yes.
So RD value we can substitute here. So we get RC plus 2 times RC minus 40G minus 80G equal to 0. Okay, so we get 3 times RC equals 40 and 80 becomes 120. On the other side it becomes positive. So 120G. 3 becomes 40. So RC value is 40G. Okay.
Yes.
RC value is 40G. But this is not what he is asking. He is interested in knowing the value of X. In order to find the value of X, we have to take sigma moment. Sum of moments equal to 0. The moments, again we have to choose some point. Which point you want to choose? I told we should choose it such that one of the unknowns will become 0, but RC and RD both we have found anyway. RC value is known. Let's go with moment about D. Okay, moment about I think moment about D, if you take again it becomes complex. So let's go with moment about C itself. Moment about C. So what is moment about C?
Yes.
RC will not have any moment because it is passing through point C. 40G, the perpendicular distance is 3 by 2, है ना?
Yes.
And it is in clockwise direction, so minus. Then 80G, the distance is X, and it is acting in clockwise direction, so minus again. Then RD, the distance is 3, है ना? And this is acting in anti-clockwise direction, so positive, correct?
Yes.
So this total should be equal to 0. So here how many unknowns are there? RD is also unknown, but we can substitute RD from here. Okay, so 0 equals, this becomes cancelled, minus 60G minus 80GX plus 2 times RC is 40G into 3, correct?
Yes.
So now we are interested in X. So X equals 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, so 240G minus 60G, and this 80G will be on this side now. It will become positive. 80G will be this side if you send it this side by 80G. So find X. So 240 minus 60, G will get anyway cancelled, so I will not take it, divided by 80. G can be taken common and we can cancel it. So X value is 2.25 meters. Okay.